Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix fingerprint sensor not working on Motorola Razr 70. So first, open the settings, then find security and privacy, device unlock, and right here we have face and fingerprint unlock, and then confirm with your password. Fingerprint and delete the fingerprint. Now restart your phone, and at the time that it is restarting, grab a microfiber and brush the sensor and also your finger. Then hit fingerprint, setup, locate the sensor, and then just enroll your finger one more time. And done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.